Good morning, everyone. Today, we are going to present a small conversation between our team members as college students. Hey, bro, what are your thoughts regarding savings and investments?
Nothing, bro. I will deal with this later on.
There's no tomorrow in this scenario, bro. If you go on dealing with this later, you will surely gonna lose a whole lot of an opportunity, and it might happen that you regret later.
Chill, bro. I am an independent person. Don't tell me what should I do and what not.
In India, lack of financial education is a huge setback. In India, only 2% of people invest in stock market and have their proper financial plan.
Whereas in developed countries like USA, this number is up to 40%. That's the whole point. In India, there is so less of financial literacy. People have an old mindset and they guide their children not to invest in stock market because of all experiences of fraud. But that's not the case in modern India, bro.
We at Consultine aim to solve the problem of lack of financial literacy. Our potential customers, rather, we should say our potential students would be college students who are just gonna graduate from their college and get a job. With our consultancy, we assure that the students will become more financially stable. They will have basic financial literacy about stock market, interest rates, taxes, passive wealth, assets and liabilities. Interesting now? This will
Yes,
surely
bro.
help our students in making more rational and materialistic financial decisions.
Now, you might be thinking that how are we going to implement our plan, right? We are developing an app named Consulting in which students will enroll all their expenditure activity so that they can self monitor themselves. This will help the students to compare their expenditure with respect to their incomes and identify how much they overspend their money. Through our app, we will be providing some general and basic guidelines on how they can control their spending and save and invest more.
From this point, we will carry them on a path of professional knowledge about how to invest, where to invest, and how to multiply their savings many folds with the power
Yes.
of compound interest. Through video and textual lessons, the students will be able to grasp the secrets and methods of an healthy investing environment. Our students are free to access these lessons from anywhere in this world, from our Consultine app. And there will be a dedicated team that will be available for our customers 24/7 through our app or messaging facility. Isn't the technology making it easier?
Yes,
Don't worry.
bro.
Our lessons and app will also be an easy platform for providing a friendly and easy to access nature.
Thank you.
Thank you.